Getting started on a kitchen rental here, and I need to take out all the cabinets. I always see on TV shows when they're doing demos, they get the big sledgehammer out and start whacking away. And although that can be fun for a little while, it gets a little tiring and is pretty unnecessary. To start with the upper cabinets, you can unscrew them and set them down. First thing you want to do is pop these doors off. If you're doing it with somebody else, you can usually kind of leave them assembled and take them outside. But this is a great way to kind of get them broken down, to pack them away. If you're going to take them to the dump, if you're going to reuse them or sell them, then you can keep it all together and have a friend. We got a pandemic, so you got to work alone right now. These ones have a release on the back that you pop off and it just pops off. Or some of the cabinets, you take out the back screw. Loosen that off. Cabinets come out. Take out the shelves. Now it's nice and light. This cabinet has 4 screws in the back. It's screwed to this other cabinet from this side. So I'll pop this door off, take the filler off. Unscrew it from the other cabinet. There's 4 screws. You're putting in cabinets or taking them out, and you need to hold them up, push against the wall. Don't push them up because they'll kind of go. If you push them against the wall, the friction kind of holds them in place. Get ready to take it out. I missed a stud in that one. Missed that one too. The base cabinet's the same idea, except they're usually only screwed in at the top. In this particular case, I don't even need to take the countertop off, except I'm working by myself, so I can't carry it. All that this one will be held in with is a few screws in the top. One screw didn't want to come out, so you just pull it. So that's about it. Pretty straightforward. Just carry the rest of this junk out to the trailer and take it to the dump. Thanks for watching.